Hello and welcome to Mindset Minutes, today's training tip for your success. I'm your host, Luke Evans. Thank you for joining us. You know, the piano's a lot like life. Sometimes we're fearful that we're going to mess up. But what if you weren't so fearful and you took action anyway and realized it's just a numbers game? Some will, some won't. So what? Someone's waiting to help you. Somebody's willing. So go ahead and take a try. Take a chance. And you might just get it. Alright? So if we're fearful and somebody says no, you're not actually any worse off than you were before you asked them. So you might as well just try again. Alright? You're never worse off. Remember that failure is an event, never a person. As always, dedicated to your success, I'm Luke Evans. Thank you for joining us. If you liked today's training video, please subscribe to our channel, as well as go ahead and leave us a comment, please, below. And let us know what action you took to try that thing out that you were willing and wanting to try. Enjoy.